What's going on, guys? Back again with another video. Today we're going to be teaching you guys the Swing 360. He's going to be teaching you the Swing 360.
King 360 right here. Okay guys, so I'm going to take you through 3 major steps here today. Step 1 being the high start. Step 2, we're going to do the high start and try to get height on the backswing. And then 3, we're going to add in the torque from our hips and legs. And then I'm also going to touch on a few other points that help me along the way. Okay guys, so step 1 is going to be the high start. This move is a little deceiving. It looks really easy when people do it, but I've had a few of my friends try it who work out pretty consistently and they struggle to do it. So I'm going to show you what it looks like first, and then I'm going to give you some tips on how you can do it. See, my feet go up and out, starting really high, which gives me a lot of momentum coming back. Kind of want to go up with your feet, then out to give you the momentum to come back. This is what it looks like again. Watch my feet. They're going to go above this bar, up and out. Up and out. See that? Up and out. Okay guys, once you got the high start down, you practiced it a few times, you're pretty confident with it. We're not gonna stop ourselves with the ground anymore. We're gonna let ourselves come back and we're gonna go for height. So you wanna do that. The high start as you normally would. Keep all the momentum going back and throw the bar down. We're not spinning yet. Throw the bar down and really look up and try to get your head to as high as possibly you can go. Here's what it looks like. See that height right there? That's what you want to go for. Alright guys, so now we're gonna put step 1 and step 2 together, but we're gonna add in the torque. So now on our high start, I want you guys to turn your hips to the opposite way that you're gonna be spinning. So if you're spinning to the left, you wanna turn your left hip to the right. So it's gonna kick out to the right, and then it's gonna whip you around. So like for example, if you're just standing here and you wanna do a 360, you're not just gonna jump, right? You got no torque, no momentum, nothing pulling you. You're gonna load up, right? See my left hip to the right side because I spin to the left, and you're gonna spin, right? Because that's gonna give you a lot of torque to go around. So now when we do the high start, I'm gonna load my left leg and left hip to the right side because I spin to the left. Come out, see that torque? That torque there, it should get me spinning that way. So now we're gonna put that together, do the high start with the torque, let that left leg drag you behind, and you're gonna spin now, but I don't want you to catch the bar just yet. I want you to just spin and see the bar. Here's what it looks like. With the torque, height, just see the bar. All right guys, once you're confident with the torque and then spinning and seeing the bar without catching it yet, here's a few tips that are gonna help you along the way. So as you're up spinning in the air, you ever go in a chair that spins and keep your arms out and you're going really slow and then you bring your arms in and you speed up? You want to think about that too when you're spinning in the air. You don't want to be flailing your arms and legs out. You want to keep everything tight, close to your body, so you spin a lot faster. Also, since I spin to my left, I want to look over my left shoulder the whole time and really look for that bar, and I want to think about grabbing with my right hand, because watch this. If I spin and look, and I can grab with my right hand, my left's already there. I should be able to grab with my left as well. One last tip I forgot to mention is you don't want to let yourself get too far away from the bar on the way back. Instead, you want to go for height instead of distance from the bar. Being too far away from the bar, you're going to spin and you're not going to be able to reach the bar. So when we're high, we want to almost be able to see the bar while we're coming down on it. Guys, putting everything together, here's what it's going to look like. Not gonna lie guys, that was attempt 1 and 2, and we're gonna see Nick's attempt 1 right now. It's gonna be funny guys, watch this.
Attempt number 1, baby.
Ouch. Guys, I'm not ripping on Nick or anything here, but it's good to like see someone do it and fail so you can like see what they're doing wrong and see what to learn from. So like, I'm really just helping him out here. That's what we do. That's why we're workout partners, because when he sees something I do wrong, he helps me. And when I see something he does wrong, I help him. So on his high start, he's definitely not getting high enough, and he's almost over torquing. He's really sending his hips to the side. That's kind of preventing him from coming back and getting height. That's the second thing I want to talk about. He's getting not much height on the backswing. You want to like get the bar almost up to like your sternum. So he would be working, I would have him work on step 2 right now if I was training him. So he would just go for height, throw the bar down, throw the bar down. And eventually when you get high, you're gonna throw the bar down into the side and you're gonna spin. Third thing I see him doing wrong, he's getting too far away from the bar. It's the last tip I touched on. He wants to, like I said again on step 2, throw the bar down, get the height, and then spin. Instead of getting out away from the bar and then spinning, because then he'll get the full 360, but he'll be too far away from the bar to reach it. Temp 3, little less torque, more high start, go for height, throw the bar down. Always eating shit, my guy. Good recovery. How you feeling after 3 failed attempts?
Same as always, never get it, so.
We do it over the foam pit. If you guys have a gymnastics place by where you live, or that has a bar over a foam pit, that's a good place to practice. Or throw a mat under your bar so you're less afraid of falling. That should really be step 1.
Yeah.
It's like fail on purpose. To like get rid of the fear of, you know, hitting the ground hard, because it's really not that scary.
Yeah, I'm so used to it.
As you can see, Nick eats shit a lot. He never lands on his feet. But like I said, guys, we're here to help each other. I'm not gonna criticize him or rip on him for not being able to do it.
And we also don't practice it a lot. Like if I sat here and, you know, it's like everything else. The more you do something, the better you're gonna be at it. So we don't really practice that. If I sat here for a week and did it every day for a week, like I know I'd be able to land it. I've landed it before a few times, so. But yeah, I mean, practice makes perfect.
Those 3 steps, along with practice, like Nick says, repeat, 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 you'll eventually be able to get it. And it's a pretty cool move. You can impress a lot of people with that one. Like always.
Like always, like, comment, subscribe, follow us on Instagram, follow us on TikTok. Comment what you want the next video to be about. We have it to make for you. I'll see you guys in the next one.
Out.